How to free up space using device care in Samsung M32. First of all, open the Settings app and scroll down until you find the option called Battery and Device Care. Tap on it to access the tools that help you manage your phone's storage, memory, and overall performance. Next, tap on Storage. Here you will see a breakdown of how much space is being used by apps, images, videos, audio, and other files. You can tap on each category to see more details and decide what to remove manually, but there's a quicker way. Now, go back and tap on Optimize Now. This button instantly removes unnecessary background apps, clears cache data, and frees up storage used by temporary files. It's a simple but powerful way to quickly clean up your phone without deleting any important content. After that, if you still want to clear more space, go to the storage section again and look for the trash folders under categories like images, videos, and documents. Emptying these can recover additional space. Lastly, consider checking the unused app section. Device Care sometimes shows apps you haven't used in a while. Removing apps you no longer need is an easy way to free up significant space. And that's it. Now you know how to free up space using Device Care in Samsung M32. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.